In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Smartsheet pricing plan for your team. The goal here is to make the pricing page easy to understand so you can confidently decide which option gives you the best value. Start by opening the Smartsheet pricing page, or if you already have a pricing guide, use that instead. You want to make sure you're looking at the most current information because plan names, prices, and included features can change over time. Once the page is open, take a moment to review the available plans. Don't rush this part. The main idea is to get a clear picture of the different tiers and how they're positioned. Usually, each plan is designed for a different type of user, from individuals and small teams to larger organizations that need more advanced capabilities. Next, compare the monthly and annual pricing. This is an important step because the annual option often lowers the cost per user over time, even though it may require a larger upfront commitment. If your team expects to use Smartsheet long term, annual pricing may be more cost effective. If you need flexibility or you're still testing whether the platform is the right fit, monthly pricing may be easier to start with. After that, check what features are included in each plan. This is where the real decision starts to take shape. Look closely at what each tier offers and whether those tools match the way your team actually works. It's not just about finding the cheapest option. It's about making sure the plan supports your workflow without forcing you to upgrade too soon. As you review the details, pay special attention to user limits, automation limits, dashboards, reports, and integrations. These areas can make a big difference in day-to-day use. For example, a plan may seem affordable at first, but if it limits the number of users or automations you need, it may not be practical. The same goes for dashboards and reports if your team relies on visibility and tracking, or integrations if you need Smartsheet to connect with other tools. Then calculate the total cost based on how many users need access. Be realistic here. Count the people who truly need to log in and actively use the platform, not just the people who may occasionally view information. This helps you avoid overestimating your budget. Finally, choose the plan that fits your team size and the features you actually need. The best choice is the one that balances cost, usability, and room to grow. If you compare carefully and focus on your team's real requirements, you'll be in a much better position to pick the right Smartsheet plan with confidence.